linazindua mpango wa kuwafadhili wakulima kwa ushirikiano na shirika lisilokuwa la serikali la mimea ya chakula na ng'ombe wa maziwa kuwapiga jeki wakulima kutoka kaunti 12. Hebu tusikilize.
In arid and semi-arid counties of Kenya, we therefore are glad to see the renewal of this partnership through USAID funded activities and under the stewardship of Tom. The AFC board has approved a new strategic direction. There is a new strategic plan that the board has sanctioned and is now operational, which at its core recognizes partnership and collaborations, and has tasked the cooperation management to pursue building partnerships whose outcome is more responsive and inclusive models of service delivery. I am therefore delighted to note that with the rollout of this co-financing scheme, the cooperation is on track in implementing the new strategic plan. Last year, AFC board also approved an Islamic finance policy, which was developed in partnership with Kenya Investment Mechanism, KIM, your fellow implementing partner of USAID activities in Kenya. The board remains committed to supporting similar innovative approaches to act as a financing, and we hope to see even deeper collaborations that directly impact actors along the agricultural value chain. The cooperation recognizes that the risky nature of agriculture remains a challenge in itself. I am very pleased to see that this collaboration reduces the risks involved when financing such enterprises, and as such has increased AFC's confidence to set aside resources for financing enterprises in the Nyanza Western region, and indeed the whole country. This collaboration is a demonstration of our joint commitment towards addressing systemic challenges in addressing agricultural finance in this region. By structuring a blended finance model for Nyanza Western, the cooperation has shown its commitment to implement the new strategic plan that envisions us playing a catalytic role in the sector. As we do this, it is our expectation that you too, as enterprises, will focus on how your business can help others. If you access an extra 1 million shillings through a grant framework, we expect you to ensure that you employ an extra person or offtake from other smallholders so that there can be a ripple effect of this nature. In fact, there I was going to ask the dairy farmer and the gentleman who says he's going into dairy processing. I think he's the only Kalasinga in the crowd. What are you thinking about the farmers on your neighborhood? How do you intend to help them? How do you intend to support them? Because they would be able to supply you with the milk you want to process. Even to the gentleman who is applying inputs, what other CSR activities are you doing with your farmers in order for them to patronize your shop?